Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Yes, I know I do look a bit different, so hot tip, when you go to cut your hair and you want them to just trim your beard, just tell them just a little trim please, not clean it up a little bit, because then they clean it up a whole lot. Alright, so here we are. Anyway, today we're going to be installing this in-tank fuel filter and a new seal as well, because why not? So genuine parts only, it's on the website if you want to have a look. But yes, this filter does get looked over by a lot of Pajero owners, so today I'm going to show you why you should change it. I don't know if mine has ever been changed, so it's going to be interesting to see what the difference is, but it's very important to change this filter because there can be a lot of problems when it becomes clogged. So let's get into it. Okay, first up, grab yourself a 10mm, and now we're going to do the 4 bolts inside here. Awesome, so once you've undone those 4 bolts, as you can see, you now have access to the filter. Now you can't remove this plate entirely, so just move it to the side, and then you just have to sort of wiggle yourself around just to undo all the bolts on it itself and remove those 2 hoses, so you can have access to the filter. So let's do that now. Okay, so I've now removed this plate. Now this is inside, and as you can see, I've bent it a little because it's in the way. So you either got to drop the tank, which will take a bit longer to do, and do it that way. Otherwise, just bend it back once you put it back in, and that is just to seal it. The other option as well, there's a second plate, so just use some extra sealant and just seal it up at the top as well, just so no dust gets into the vehicle. But this way, unfortunately, is the best way to access the filter. So once you've undone all of these bolts on the filter itself, now you can grab it and it will actually come out. Awesome, so as you guys can see, this is the old filter. Now it's actually not looking too bad. It doesn't look like it's the original one unless the previous owner ran like injector cleaner, that sort of thing, that cleans it up a little bit. But yeah, overall I'm pretty surprised. It doesn't look too bad. But anyway, we're gonna replace it with the brand new one, because as you can see, it's obviously brand new. But yeah, it's good to know that the previous owner looked after the car. Well, it certainly looks like it, so happy days. The seal itself also looks pretty good, but as you can see, this is where the seal sits. So we're just going to replace that as well while we're in here, and then just whack this baby on. Awesome, so another tip as well, have a look inside your tank for any contaminants like metal bits, that sort of stuff, just to have a look and see the quality of the fuel, I will call it, just to make sure there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. And also, when you do this job, guys, make sure everything is nice and clean. Don't let anything fall into your fuel tank, that sort of thing, like sand and that sort of stuff, grass, whatever. But yeah, basically once that is done, now you just got to do the bolts up again, and then we're done. Happy days. Great, so once everything is now back together, guys, then you're all good to go. So I was definitely lucky with this one, but some people out there, they forget to change them. So definitely have a look at yours, see how dirty it is, and if it's dirty, replace it for sure. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to grab these 2 items, make sure to check out on the website. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video, and make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.